Hey guys, once again, welcome at Coding Vault. Today we are going for Snappy quiz. It is just a small quiz which contains very small questions and it is just for test yourself. So let's get started. Here are some instructions which you have to follow while giving this quiz. All questions are MCQ based question. Each question contains 1 marks and there are only 10 questions. You can't use any compiler or Google for giving the answer of any question. Please don't use compiler and don't take help of Google for answering the question. There are only 5 seconds to give the answer of each question except question 9th and 10th. These questions are too basic, so I will provide you 5 seconds for each, and for 9th and 10th question I will provide you 10 seconds. There is no negative marking. At the end of the video, you have to comment your score in the comment box. Let's get started. Here is Snappy question 1. C programming was created in. Here are the options: 1980, B 1972, C 1967 or D 1976. Your time starts now. Done? And the correct answer is B 1972. Here is Snappy question 2. C programs are converted into machine level language with the help of A. An editor, B. a compiler, C. an operating system, or D. none of this. What do you think about it? Try to answer on your own. Your time starts now. I hope you are done, and the correct answer is B. a compiler. Here is Snappy question 3. C was primarily developed as A. system programming language, B. general purpose language, C. data processing language, D. none of these. Time start now. And the correct answer is A. system programming language. Snappy question 4. Which of the following is not a correct variable type? Float, B. real, C. int, D. double, E. char. Try to answer on your own and your time starts now. I hope you have done. And the correct answer is B. real, because real data type is not available in C. Snappy question 5. Which of the following is not a reserved keyword in C? A. case, B. main, C. default, D. register, or E. auto. I hope you will give the correct answer and your time starts now. Done? And the correct answer is B. main. Main is not a reserved keyword. Here is Snappy question 6. A C variable cannot start with A. a number, B. a special symbol other than underscore, C. both of the above, D. an alphabet. Try to give answer on your own and time starts now. Done? And the correct answer is a number. C variable cannot start with a number. Here is Snappy question 7. For 16-bit compiler, allowable range for integer constant is it A. minus 3.48 e raised to the power 38 to 3.48 e raised to the power 38, B. minus 32767 to 32768, or is it C. minus 32668 to 32768, or is it D. minus 32768 to 32767? I hope you will give the correct answer and your time starts now. Done? And the correct answer is minus 32768 to 32767. Here is Snappy question 8. Which of the following is not a valid identifier? Options: A. underscore exam veda, B. 1 exam veda, C. exam underscore veda, D. exam veda 1. Try to answer on your own and time starts now. hope you are done. And the correct answer is B, one exam Veda. It is not a valid identifier in C because it is starting with a number. Here is snappy question 9. For this question, you have 10 seconds to answer. What is the difference between a declaration and a definition of a variable? Is it A, both can occur multiple times but a declaration must occur first? B, a definition occurs once but a declaration may occur many times? Is it C, both can occur multiple times but a definition must occur first? Is it D, a declaration occurs once but a definition may occur many times? And your time starts now. I hope you have choose the right option, and the correct answer is D. A declaration occurs once but a definition may occur many times. In C, we can declare a variable only once but we can define it many times. Here is snappy question 10. For this question also you have 10 seconds. What is the output of this code? You have to solve this problem and predict the output. Is it A? Is it B, A.000? Is it C, 97.000? Is it D, runtime error? Try to answer on your own, and your time starts now. What did you think about it? Is it A.000? If you are thinking that, then you are wrong. Correct answer is C, 97.0000. Thank you friends. I hope you have enjoyed this quiz. Please comment your answer in the comment box. If you have any doubt regarding this quiz, so you can ask me on my Instagram account or on my Facebook account, or you can mail me at codingholt@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe the Coding Holt.